Les alphabets. Alphabet means letters. So if you remember, when we were taught English, Hindi, for that matter, whichever language we learnt in our lives, we were always taught the very first thing, the ABC of the language. Because of that reason, even if we see a new word today, we are at least, you can say, 90 to 95% confident to give a sound to that word. We don't feel like, oh God, what is this? Just because we are so sure of the sounds, isn't it? Don't you feel the same, Archit, Gargi, Yakshit?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is why the
Yes.
letters ka sound becomes really important for us to read any language, to speak any language, and for that matter, to listen to it. Because if you don't know the right sounds, what a letter makes in a particular language, then you might even misinterpret or not be able to comprehend when a person speaks that language. Okay. So we'll see the letters together and I'll show you how these or the knowledge of these letters help you to make new words. Okay. I'll say the letter, guys. You'll have to unmute yourself because you'll have to repeat after me.
Okay.
A,
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 B,
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 A,
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 correct. They. So there is no D for us. Okay.
A,
There is no D. It's a softer sound that is they. Okay.
D,
A,
They.
D,
Correct. A, A.
A,
Yes. So I
A,
repeat what I have done here. This was ah, the wide mouth open
A,
ah with the arm wala ah. Whereas this e is
A,
a. The
A,
sound is only from the
A,
throat. This is a an r. Makes
yeah,
sense? This was
A,
a.
anar, yeah,
This is a
yes,
A,
a
A,
a.
A,
Okay.
A,
yes,
yeah,
F.
F,
F,
Correct. This is a very, very, very important sound, guys, which is a little different from English
G,
or Hindi. It's J. J.
J,
J,
Yes. J.
J,
J,
Correct.
like JNA,
Not J and A, but I would say something like pleasure, measure, treasure, the J sound in pleasure, that sound.
okay,
So
yeah,
J.
yeah,
Okay?
okay,
J.
J,
J,
Yes. Okay? Ash.
Ash,
Ash,
Yes. So again, the wide mouth open. French is a very articulated language, guys.
Ash,
You have to have pura jaws ka exercise. Okay? So you can't just have it it's ah. Okay? So ash.
Ash,
Ash,
Yeah.
Ash,
Ash,
Yes. E.
E,
E,
E. So please
E,
understand there is an E, but that E is not what we have an E in English. E for us is I.
yes,
Okay?
yes,
So don't get
yeah,
confused there.
yeah,
So you have another same sound, just like you had G here. This is G.
G,
G.
J,
Yeah. So if
G,
I be very precise, G is J, whereas J is G. Makes sense?
yeah,
So G
yes,
is
yeah,
yes,
J and J is G. Clear?
yeah,
yeah,
Ka,
K,
K,
L,
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 M,
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 N.
N,
N,
Easiest bit, no? Just like English. And
yeah,
this happens with everyone, you know. When I ask people to say A to Z in French, they'll be like E, G, K, L, M, N, O, because, you know, that's the only part that we really know. So, yes, it is.
it's rhyme also.
Yes. Oh, yeah. I just realized, Akshat, LMNO, that's the only thing we know. Yeah. So, N, O,
N, O,
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 pay,
P,
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 pay. Now, very carefully, see what I mean by this. You have to really end up like this. Q. Just like a Q.
Q,
Yes.
Q,
It's not
Q,
Q,
Q, it's not Q, it's not U, L, kuch nahi. It's Q. Q.
Q,
Q,
Yeah. So
Q,
you
Q,
you should feel your rounded lips at the end. Q. Yeah.
Q,
Q,
yeah,
Correct. Now
Q,
this, I don't know if you've heard French anywhere earlier or you've known about R in French. This is the trickiest part of French, the R sound. Okay. I'll tell you why.
Why?
Because French people are those people who are known for the beauty of their language. I don't know if you've read it. It is one of the most soft spoken languages ever we have had. So, what they do, they really don't use their tongue to speak anything. They don't, like, even when you speak Hindi, English, see, the tongue is the maximum, or you can say the only part for that matter at times that you use to make a sound. Say any sentence. Your tongue does touch your upper jaw or the lower jaw and you make that sound. Isn't it? Yes,
Yes,
no.
yes, yes,
Imagine
yes.
now somebody
Yes.
without touching this tongue at all in either of your jaws. That means you're speaking from your throat, just like when you gargle, you make a sound, but you don't use your tongue. It's ah, ah. It's from here. Yes?
Uh,
Ah, ah.
yeah.
So
Uh,
imagine saying
uh,
the thing deep down your
uh,
throat and not from your tongue, because the R in English and Hindi
uh,
is very r. We have a tongue r. Don't
Yes.
vibrate your tongue at all. It's air,
Ah,
air.
uh,
Yes,
uh,
air.
uh,
Okay.
Eh.
Does take
uh,
time. It takes even couple of months to come to this level. But I need to tell all my students, because at least you should know what you are supposed to be reaching at, right? If you don't
ah,
know the
yes.
way, of course you will not go to it. So what I did when I learned French, I can obviously help you with that. I really had to stand in front of the mirror, look very precisely and closely to my tongue that it doesn't go anywhere and it just hangs in the middle. Okay. And I then learned it's
Ah,
air, air. And then suddenly I watched a movie and which was Khan from the Epiglottis. And then I realized it's easier this way because it's that sound actually that you need. It's kh. Ah, this is
yeah,
this sound makes sense. So you have to
yeah,
really be that Khan. You don't use the tongue when you say that Khan, right? So you have to make it from air, the same thing.
Eh.
Air.
uh,
Yes.
uh,
Okay. Air.
ah,
uh,
S.
S,
Correct.
S.
Te.
K,
So we are the
T.
most soft spoken people. So we cannot have a t. T and d doesn't even exist for French people. They do not have it. It's the. That is
yeah,
te. Okay? Te.
yeah,
A,
Yeah.
A,
A,
yeah.
A,
U is called you.
You,
You. Ah,
you,
not EU. It's
you,
you. Just like Q. Q.
you,
U,
you,
You. Yes.
U.
You.
you,
Yes.
you,
Ve.
V,
way,
Mhm.
Way.
way,
Now, when you see a W, it looks like two V's are joined together. So it becomes a double
yeah,
V. So we call it
yeah,
W.
double
W.
W,
way,
Correct.
W.
double way,
E,
double way, yeah.
This is Eeks.
E,
X,
Eeks. Okay?
E, yeah,
Correct. This is Y. Y.
Y,
E,
Correct.
Y,
Correct.
Y.
E,
Just like somebody is from Greece, you call him a Grek.
Y,
So Y.
Y,
Correct.
yeah.
Z.
Z,
We can't have a
Z.
D. So there is Z.
The
Okay?
Z,
Z.
Yes. The.
Z.
Z.
Uh,
I'll repeat from A to Z,
Yeah, Z
guys.
is like similar to English, no? Z.
English is D. For French, it is
Oh,
the.
yeah.
English is damru. French is dawai.
Mm.
If I'm right. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
the,
Yeah. So not
the,
the, but the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. I hope you know Hindi, right? Because I need to
yes,
draw quite a few times parallels from Hindi, because trust me on that, Hindi grammar and pronunciations are richer than English. Okay. So
yes, yes,
you'll realize when you learn French, it's more, you can say, from Sanskrit and Hindi rather than English. Okay.
Interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. So let's say from A to Z, A,
okay. A,
A.
A,
be,
B,
B,
B.
say,
C,
C.
de,
D,
D,
a,
A,
A.
F,
F,
F.
F,
J,
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 J.
Ash,
R,
Ash,
Ash.
E,
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 G.
G,
G,
Gargi. G.
G,
G,
Ka.
K,
L.
L,
M.
M,
M,
N.
N,
O.
N,
O,
O,
P.
P,
P,
Q.
Q,
Q,
R.
S,
A,
S.
S,
T.
S,
T,
T,
U,
V.
V,
V,
W.
W,
W,
X.
X,
Y.
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
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 So now I'll go in English. Now I don't know French. You know French better than me now. So I'll say A, B, C, and you will tell me the right thing. Okay?
Yeah.
Mhm.
A,
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 B,
A, B,
B,
C,
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 D.
D,
D,
Okay, I get that. Archit, Gargi, there is Anak
Yeah.
and AD in Hindi, right? So when we say
Yes.
AD, it is A like A in English.
Yeah.
Whereas when
Yeah.
we say A, it's Anak, right? So I'm not saying
Yeah.
A, I'm saying A. So it's more like say and they, not say and they. Make sense?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So single matra over it. Be, say, they.
Okay.
Yeah. Say, they.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay.
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 E.
E,
छोटा सा.
O, O,
F.
F,
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 Acha guys, this is nothing. This has nothing to do with the dictionary. Okay, these are my lingos. You can say
Yeah.
कि मैंने अपने हिसाब से
Yeah.
जो बनाया है. You can write in Hindi, Punjabi, French, whatever. I mean, of course not French, but whatever regional language you want to write in. Like people write in
Yes.
Hindi as well at times when they have to learn pronunciations in French. So it's your choice.
Yeah.
Fine. So don't go into a dictionary looking for these. This is nothing dictionary wala pronunciation. This is my own thing. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Just to help you so that when you are maybe reading it again, it could help you with such examples. G,
G,
Z,
J,
Z,
Z,
J, N in
J.
A, J,
J,
yeah,
J,
Yeah.
J,
J,
H,
Ash,
correct,
Ash,
I,
Ash,
E,
E,
correct, J,
J,
G.
G,
अगर आपने J
G.
बोला अक्षर तो वो G हो
G.
गया. ठीक है? J is G and G is
Okay.
J. Yeah. So this is a little
Okay,
interchange
yeah.
if you want. Yep. K,
Ka,
K, K,
Ka. There is no K, Ka. Okay. L,
K, yeah.
L,
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 M,
M,
N,
N.
N,
N,
See the confidence. O,
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 P. देखा
P.
देखा. See, I told you. P.
P,
Pay. Pay.
P,
Q,
Q.
Q,
Q.
Q.
Correct. Q.
Q.
R.
R,
R,
R is English.
R.
Air. Air.
A,
R,
Air.
R,
F,
As a beginner, you can start with something like air, but the softest of air. Okay. The least vibrant.
A,
R,
Yeah.
R,
S.
S,
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 T.
T,
A,
T,
Aha, Gargi. Again,
T.
you are back to A. A. Te. Yeah.
Yeah.
A,
T,
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
T,
U.
U,
Aha,
U.
Akshat. U.
U,
U,
Q. U.
U,
छोटा सा. Okay.
U,
V.
V,
V,
Perfect.
V,
W.
W,
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 V.
W, W.
Archit, wait.
W.
W.
Yeah.
X.
W. Okay.
X.
X.
Mhm.
X.
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 Y.
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 Mhm.
Y.
Y. Okay.
Y.
Y.
Z.
Z.
Correct.
Z.
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 Correct.
Z.
Z.
So
Z.
now, if you remember, when we were taught ABC, we were really not taught like this. Rather, we were taught like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes or no? Why did we do
Yes.
this?
Yeah.
Because that really helped us to remember the sounds in a rhythm and the right order. Even for me, I don't know about anybody else. I would give you my own example. Though now we are so into our tech freak people that we use online dictionaries. But if somebody gives me a manual dictionary and I have to look for a word, I really look for a sequence first. अगर किसी ने मुझे बोला M से कुछ ढूंढना है, I'll go by KLM. अच्छा, L के बाद M. You know, because of that rhythm in my mind, or maybe that sequence that I was instilled with when I learned the language. So that is how we do with French as well. So we'll hear, of course, no more ABC, but A, B, C, D in the right order. And this, all of this that is done in the class, just to let you know, Archit and Gargi, I share all the videos, all the audios, all the notes from my own end on your emails when you enroll, and every material
Okay.
is given to all my students. Okay. So
Okay.
so that you can work on your own when you are maybe listening to these. I ask my students to stop listening to all those Neha Kakkar and Arijit Singh for the time being, and just please go into the world where you have French. So I provide a lot of things to for you to hear. Okay. And it does help you.
Yes.
If you see, the more you listen to a thing, the better you speak. Yeah. And there at home, you can actually pause, repeat, you can play along with it. So you can really explore the video on your own. So it does help people when you're learning something new. Okay. So I will just increase the volume for a few. Just see all the pronunciations. Please focus on it and relate to what you have learned right now.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant, je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant, je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yes, no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you listen to such things on loop, of course, you'll be more confident. And next time, it's not just LMNOP that will gain the confidence, but rest of the letters as well. Isn't it?